Internet. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual, I guess, because I am now in Johannesburg, still in South Africa, and I'm almost leaving the country. But right now is the moment that Savannah, my sweet Savannah, that is kind of missing the rear end after I butchered her a little bit at the Kalahari Rally, is going to her next home. The courier is now on its way. They're 10 minutes away, so I'm just going to ride Savannah to the main gate. I'm staying here at an Airbnb, and this courier is going to bring Savannah to a place called Knysna in South Africa, which is, well, I visited it actually when I was staying with my friend in Plet. And there is a motorcycle museum there. I think they have over 300 or 400 motorcycles there. And they really want to look after Savannah. So basically what it means is that I'll stay her owner. I'm not going to sell her, I'll stay the owner. But she's going to live in the museum, they look after her. And if you live in the area, then you can actually go there and, I don't know, check her out. See how she came out of the rally. So anyway, I will give her with the bags included and, well, kind of the rear end. So yeah, I'm just going to ride her now to the gate and then wait for the courier to arrive there. Actually, before I say goodbye to Savannah, let's check her Odo. Let's see. Now the time has come to say goodbye. Really sad, but yeah, it's the way it goes. My African adventure, or Southern African adventure for now, is finished, and it's time for new adventures. And I'm happy that they are going to take good care of her there, and I'm leaving her all dirty. Stickers of the rally are still on here. See, number 28. Got some new stickers here on top as well, and oh yeah, so one of my handguards also came off, and one of the lights that we put on there for the rally was attached to that, so that's now stuck here. So yeah, she's a little bit better. This is loose still, I think. Yeah, oops. That must be it. She's gonna join all these other bikes. Ooh. There's not much space. Oh, there's one space at the back there. Thank you, have a good trip, huh? Thanks, bye. Well, they found it hysterical, my molten indicator. I guess it's quite hysterical. When does that ever happen? Hey, how do I manage that? Oh, one last look at my Savannah. Hey? But hey, as you said, it's just cosmetic, that little subframe break. There she goes. Too nice now. Right, so now that Savannah is being rehomed, it's time for me to also rehome. Whew, windy day today. I hope you can hear me. But I am going to fly back to the Netherlands. I have stuff to sort out, things to do for a little bit. I'm going to stay as short as possible though. I have no desire to stay for a long period of time, just until I sort out all the things I have to do there. One of which is getting myself a new motorcycle to continue the ride, because yeah, the adventure here is finished. So yeah, I'm going to book a flight now. I first wanted to make sure that Savannah is safe and sound, so now that's sorted, I'm going to book myself a flight and head back. And then yeah, let's see what new adventures I'll be getting myself into. Hi. Well, there I am again, walking on a pretty deserted airport, as you can see. There's a little bit more people than when I just came to South Africa, but still it's super eerie and quiet. You see which way? Straight. It is so weird to be leaving South Africa. I don't think I'm ready to leave, but I kind of have to, hey? Savannah is in pieces. I have quite a few things to sort out in the Netherlands. And I am back in the Netherlands. What a strange feeling to be here. I'm not planning to stay long. I'm planning to stay just the bare minimum, just to get ready, to get all the things done that I'm here to do. And one of the things is that finally my hoodies are ready. You can't see it very well now, but I have a really cool print on the back. I have a print here on the side of the hoodie, and then also on the back side of the hoodie, of the hood. I'm super happy with them. I'm super excited what you're gonna think of them. They will be in the shop available tomorrow, as well as my new calendars for the next year. So if you're looking for a nice Christmas present for yourself or your partner, then check out my shop. But anyway, that's just one of the things that I came here to just do and set up and all of that. But obviously the most important thing that I'm coming here to do is to prepare for the next season, which is going to kick off hopefully in like a month from now. It kind of all depends a little bit on how much time it will take me to prepare everything again. That also means that I'm going to get a new motorcycle. And I already have a pretty good idea on which motorcycle I want to continue with season 6 of Itchy Boots. But I will keep that kind of a secret for now. It also means there's going to be a little bit of a break on the channel while I do all of these things and get everything ready and stuff like that. And then if you want to catch up on some videos from the last season, because I mean, I bring out 3 episodes per week, so I think for a lot of people it's quite a lot. So if you didn't manage to see all the episodes, then it'll give you some time to watch season 5 completely if you want to. And yeah, it will give me a little bit of a break of the channel, which is also a good thing, I think. And then I can start fresh again with season 6. So yeah, I think today's video is pretty short, much shorter than usual, but I think that's also fine. And yeah, what else did I want to say? I just can't wait to hit the road already, and I just got here. So that kind of, I think, indicates that I was in such a nice flow, and I just had such an amazing time in Southern Africa. And I didn't really want to stop riding, but well, I kind of broke Savannah in 2, so and in any case, I couldn't really travel other countries with Savannah because of the papers. So that's also why I came back to the Netherlands. In my experience, you can travel in other countries with a motorcycle that is not registered on your own name and with foreign plates, but there are restrictions, it's a hassle, it's just, yeah, everything is much harder. So I want to have a Dutch license plate and a motorcycle which is registered on my name. So to do that, I have to be here in the Netherlands. So that's also part of the reason. Yeah, so I think this is the end of season 5, really the last video. I really hope you enjoyed the season. I'm really curious to see all the reactions on the rally. If you guys like that, because well, I think it was kind of obvious, but I absolutely loved it. I want to do more rallies. It just, wow. I'm still pumping just from the rally. It was just so awesome. I just, yeah, had such an amazing time. Hopefully you also enjoyed that content and all the other episodes that I made for you. And yeah, I can't wait to start season 6, and I hope you're gonna start watching then again. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video and this season. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.